tweaked. I tweaked. I tweaked. Ooh, that voice crack. Oh yeah. Move around. Move around. That voice crack action. You can get hit like your nickname Sebastian. Yeah. Y'all don't know how to blicky talk. I got 4 in this round. I caught my pup. Skitty pop down. Skitty pop down. I popped up with a chicken nugget in my hole. Yo! Let me start playing with my index finger. My pointer finger. See how it works. Unless I die with my pointer finger. And this. These videos are gonna be short because it is Subway Surfers. That was a close one. But good thing I'm gonna try hard. Oh my god, oh my love. What you mean, blood? What do you do to hit this shit move? I gotta get home. My index finger about to screw me. I just got screwed by my finger. That sucks. I shouldn't use one of these because I have like 20 of them. And it be storming, helping everything, cook a lot by the morning. Telling lies, so I gotta be honest. Acting for the touch, you know that I'ma run. Let's watch this video, let's get some money. You can play around, otherwise I'll hit you in your honey. You can stir it up and you can cook in my pot. I don't really care unless you hit when you stop. Alright, that's it. The wavy stream. I'll be making a video tomorrow. Peace.